at the end with L. Okay, so I am going to do with some example with long. So how we are declaring that variable? Data type, then variable name, correct? After that we are writing here data type as a long. Our variable name is C L, correct? I'm going to print it. You can see here now it's coming. Okay, I am just increasing these values. Okay, so you can run it in your Windows. You will get integer number to large, correct? So this is about long. Then we'll go to next slide. Floating decimal data types. Floating decimal data types are float, double. So what is the work of float and double? We are using floating decimal data types. You can see for float type we are taking 4 bytes and 32 bits, and default value will be 0.0f used by decimal values with less precisions, and float f is equal to 10.3f. Okay, so we'll discuss this one. We need to declare with float. Okay, I am going to print it, run it. Okay, so if I am giving taking f, okay, removing f, then you can see this error also one time. Possible lossy conversion from double to float, it's not possible, correct? Fine, so we can go with double. So default value with 0.0d, and use decimal values for high precisions. Most commonly used decimal types, and it will be 8 bytes and 64 bits. Okay, so I need to make it double. You can see this will be declared with float. If you are mentioning double also, it will be give an error. See, possible lossy conversion from double to float. So I need to declare this in variable. Okay, data type. Already the once data type is declared, if I am printing this one, you can see now those values are coming. If I am removing this d also, you can see this code also how it is working. See, this is coming perfectly. Okay, so character data type used to store single character like char 2 bytes 64 16 bits unique characters. It's storing. How to declare that character data types? So we are taking char, then I'm taking as name first word, first character. So this is backend Guruji. So I am taking B. Okay. After that, south name first character. So I need to print it. See, this is coming B. So if I print this one time, you can see what error will come. Closed character literal. Fine. This is clear about this character data types. Then we'll go to our next data types will be boolean data type. So boolean data type, actually we are using a conditional statement. Okay, true or false. Size will be 1 byte, value will be true, then false. False boolean is a flag true. Okay, So I am going to explain here. I am declaring is even. Okay, so this is even is what variable name. I need to take boolean. Whenever boolean is declared with is even, by default it is false. Okay, so if I going to print it, okay, this is even is equal to true. I'm giving true. So I'm giving is even. You can see true. If I'm giving above s out is even, can't do it in false. So you can see this is false. Okay. So this is about Boolean data types. So we can cover it covered already. Next point is our primitive data types and size things and examples. Data type byte. This is integer data type. This much only. Byte, short, int, long. Then byte size will be 1 byte. Short will be 2 byte. Default value will be 0. Integer will be 4 bytes. And default value will be 0. Long will be 8 bytes. Default value will be 0. Float will be 4 bytes. 0.0f. Double will be 8 byte. 0.0d. And character also 2 bytes. That will represent Unicode. Boolean also 1 bit false. Okay. So thank you so much, and subscribe Backend Guruji and press the bell icon upcoming notification. Like the video, share your feedback, and see you next video. Okay. Thank you so much. And if you are getting some new points, please give your feedback in this channel. This is my Backend Guruji channel, and please like those video, and if it's useful, share it with your friends. Thank you so much.